Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you to all my old subscribers, and if you're coming across this page for the first time, please stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and you are enjoying all the tips on how to get the best deal everywhere, every store at the right time to shop. So stay tuned on this channel. My name is Lola. I'm a mom of two beautiful boys, and also I'm a wife to a lovely man. So thank you for staying tuned. So today I have a deal I just got from TK Maxx. I got this deal on TK Maxx because I was searching everywhere looking for where I can get the best deal, and this one is what I get from TK Maxx. I'm trying to get a pack bag, and not just pack bag. I'm trying to get a quality pack bag and with a big size, because planning for a summer holiday with my family, and I needed a good pack bag with great quality and from great brands. Yeah, and I've searched everywhere. What I'm seeing is like £100, £1, you know, all those things. Like, but I was just trying to see if I can get something better. So here is the deal. I've already opened it, but I don't. This is the pack bag. I think it's so big. I wasn't even expecting it to be this big. Look at that. So big. DKNY. It's DKNY. Look at that. Take a look at that. So I got this from TK Maxx. I saw it on eBay for almost £100, but now I'm not going to buy it. So I went to TK Maxx. I just said, oh, let me check TK Maxx. Maybe I can see something I like. And you can't believe the amount of money I bought this lovely pack bag. Very big, very, very massive. Look at that. Look at that. And you see the quality, a good leather. Look at that. So cute, so beautiful. And you know you are buying the genuine one if you are buying from TK Maxx. So look at that. Look at that. And guess how much I bought this lovely bag. So big. Look at it. So you know it's big. That's why I'm doing it like that. So big, tall. And here is the receipt. Here is the receipt. I got it for $39.99. $39.99. Look at that. So that is another deal. So if you really want to buy, if you want a pack bag, so run, don't walk, run to TK Maxx and get this lovely pack bag for $39.99. That's £40. £40. So that's it. Bye bye. See you later.